Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing this Core Elite, or not Elite, Corpse Universe toy, which is pretty cool. I have a few of the Core figures. Yeah, they're pretty cool. I mean, oh, I just broke the Lego set. Whatever. Yeah, I got this yesterday. It came in the mail. This is actually really cool. I really only got this for like two of the characters, and some of the accessories. Like Ghost right here, he looks really sick. Ghost, not like the Ghost from Call of Duty, but you know, yeah, this Ghost is pretty cool. And we got Hawk. I think that's his name. Let me check the back. Hawk, yeah. He's supposed to have this helmet. I don't know what though. The helmet looks like to be a motorcycle helmet. Let me fit. Yeah, it's a motorcycle helmet. There he is with the helmet. I think he looks better without the helmet. But there's Hawk. He's blue, gray. Yeah, he's pretty cool. And we gotta get the boy Shark out of here. I think Shark might be one of my favorites. Or Shark is really cool. Because, you know, that's actually a really cool name. Shark. That name is really cool. Like Army General and your name is Shark. Like, it's a pretty cool general name. He comes with the baton. Yeah, baton. And he also gets this shotgun. Oh. Okay, I almost dropped it. But he also gets the shotgun. There he is. A cool thing with these Core figures is a lot of them have like wearable weapons. Like they could wear their weapons pretty much. Like the baton goes in like this little hole right there, and the shotgun goes in the little sheath. There's Shark. Now let's get out Rip. I really like Rip. He's a really cool dude. This time he's a Curse member. When he first came out, he was a Core. He's a Core member. This time he's a Curse. If you don't know, the Curse are the bad guys. Ow. Ah. That hurt real bad. I didn't cut myself with that shirt. I dropped it. Rip though. Yeah, guys. If you're trying to open something, be very careful. I was not being very careful. And also, this toy comes with a lot. This toy comes with a few vehicles. Now let's get all the accessories out. Oh, here's Plague. He's the same version as Elite Plague. I think. Yeah, there's no really difference. Maybe like, yeah, there's no really difference. This one might be a little more detailed. But yeah, I think it's the same. I don't know. This is new. The guns are orange. And these guns are more softer plastic than the other ones. Than like the other Core, which is actually pretty good because you don't want to like have super hard plastic for weapons. But like the World Peacekeepers guns, they're kind of like a little weird. World Peacekeepers guns are really detailed and cool. But World Peacekeepers guns are either really stiff or like really plasticky. Like they're like I dropped Rip's weapon. Like some of the World Peacekeepers weapons, they like bend super easy and they don't look very good. This might be technically a wearable weapons because you could put this like on around him, but that looks pretty cool. It's pretty cool, like might be like some sort of energy blaster. because the core is kind of like futuristic. I mean, some of the guns look pretty could be real life weapons, but most of them are like futuristic. Like this one is like a pulse rifle kind of. I think this one's supposed to go to Ghost. It's like sniper rifle type weapon, which he looks pretty good with. Looks pretty cool. Okay, my rain looks a little weird. My rain looks a little goofy, but it's still good. Yeah, the rain looks a little weird. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to ignore that, but I don't know. If you guys get this, comment down below if your rain came out like that. My rain's like legs are like really low. It doesn't kind of looks funny. There we got Mirage version 3. Right here, Mirage version 3 or 4, I don't know. Along the lines of that. He gets a katana, which is pretty cool. Like, yeah. Pretty cool. You could put the katana in the sheath, which is another word for weapons type of. Oh, you get Rain's guns out. Rain has some interesting weapons. He has a knife, which is normal, like a knife. He has the same weapons as, I forgot his name. He's an older, I dropped another weapon. And then, okay, so you could put the Rain could literally have nothing holding his hands. He has a revolver and like a grappling hook type of gun. Okay. Put all those in the side pouches, so he has like no weapons. Which is pretty cool, in my opinion. Being able to wear the weapons. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, there's Rain. This also has like a pistol handgun. No, I think I'll give Ghost the handgun. It's like pistol. He's like a stealthy guy. He wouldn't have too much of a big gun. It looks pretty good. Kind of reminds me of like Splinter Cell, the game. It's a really old stealth game. What is this? It's supposed to be for Mirage. Or is this Mirage? Or am I getting? Yeah, Mirage. I think, yeah, pretty sure. Is this supposed to be like a ninja star? Pretty sure, but where would it go? Oh, never mind. It could just go on his back. And then he holds the little handgun on the side. And then we have probably my least favorite core member, Diesel. I don't like the look of him for some reason. I never did. He kind of looks... I don't know. It's the hair for this Diesel action figure. I mean, he's a cool figure, but I don't really like him that much. I mean, if you like Diesel, subscribe. A lot of people like Diesel, but I don't really care for him. I mean, I don't hate him, but he's just not my favorite core member. I think my favorite core member is either a Rucker from Elite or Trick Shot. Or not Recoil. I like Recoil, even though he does not have very much movement. He's like a static figure. I really like his look. I wonder if there's a new version of Recoil. I think he's now a curse member. Recoil. Now I think he's supposed to be a curse member. Okay, there it is. Diesel. Okay, now we gotta get up to 2 vehicles. Okay, We got this, like, machine gun bike, which is pretty cool. Sneeze. We got... I actually have, like, I used to have a bunch of these. I don't know what happened to them all. I have a bunch of these, like, mini curse bikes, which I'd always do, like, I'd always get a bunch of the curse figures and, like, make them ride in on motorcycles. Yeah, except for, like, I think his name is Ogre. He's, like, the heavy soldier. Yeah, but there it's the end. No. I have a Brawly figure and I might open him for this video, but I'll save it for tomorrow. Save it for tomorrow. Well, that's the video, guys. I'm sure I haven't yet, and Ghost is signing off. Pew pew.